Wood duck. Not the duck. Not that. Who's there? Wood. Wood duck. And dog. It's a carrot.
That's right. Is the carrot good? What's that?
Carrot.
That's right. Can you find a piece of celery? What's that?
Pepper.
That's a pepper?
Knock. Pepper. Knock.
Oh, did you drop it? Yummy piggy. Here's your fried chicken.
Dog. One
That's an
carrot.
awful big piece for your mouth, buddy.
Carrot.
Give me back some. It's too big. Open your mouth. It's too big. You can't have all of it.
You can't eat it. Eat it.
There.
Oh, dog.
What's stuck?
Woo!
Hey, what are you doing? Can you find another carrot?
Say carrot. Carrot.
Eat it. Is it good? Can you find broccoli?
Broccoli.
Where's the broccoli?
Your daddy needs it.
You alright?
Okay.
Okay. You all done?
Done.
Done. Okay.
Done.
What are you trying to do, Ethan? You stab it with your fork.
What's that? Oh no, stop.
That's broccoli.
Broccoli.
Yeah, taste that one. Do you like that one?
Stop.
Give it a try.
Ready.
Give it a taste.
Ready. Gee.
That's right. It looks like a little tree, huh?
Look at nothing.
It's good, huh?
Look.
It's okay.
Gee.
Yeah, it's like a little tree, isn't it? It's broccoli.
Broccoli.
Yeah. It tastes good. It makes you big and strong.
Red tree.
Yeah, it's like a little tree. It looks like a tree, huh?
Tree. Huh?
Eat your tree.
Tree.
Nummy tree.
Have you? Oh my, this is great. Drunk. Berry.
Can you find some chicken in there?
This roll. Ah.
That's a carrot. You like your carrots? Eat that one.
That carrot.
It's a bad carrot? How come? Let me see if I can find some chicken in here for you.
Tree.
Look, here's some chicken right here. You taste chicken?
This is tree.
Yeah, eat your tree. You want some chicken? Eat the whole thing. There's another tree right there. It's covered with rice though. See, if we take the rice off, here's your tree.
Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome, Pumpkin.